Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be doing another bag review for you guys for a bag that I just recently got, and I love it. It's super cute and I love the color. It's very fun. But I'm gonna get into all the details of the bag as I typically do. I'll show you guys how it looks on. Obviously with the outfit I have on now, it's not gonna look good. Well, not that it's not gonna look good, but it's obviously doesn't match really with my attire. But I'm gonna go through all the details of the bag itself and I'll go into pricing. I think with these bags, they sell out immediately after they come out. So this color might not be available on future launches. However, this size is typically what's available when they do launch new products, and you can see the size and see what it fits in it so that you kind of get an idea if it's the size that you're looking for or something that you want. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the bag that I am referring to, I hope I don't say it wrong, but it is the Telfar bag. So I got the, let me see the name of it. The small double mint shopping bag. So this is the dust bag that it comes in. Basically, this is like an unboxing too because I have not used it. And I have opened it to see how it looks, but I haven't taken it out like that. So basically, this is the bag. Look at this color, how gorgeous. It's like a mint neon green, which is not like very neon, but it's more of a minty color, but it's a really bright minty color. Gorgeous. So this is the bag itself. I'm sorry if you heard noise in the background. I had my little floor vacuum going around, so it was making a lot of noise, so I had to put it back. Yep, that was it too. Okay, so this is the bag I got. This is, like I said, it is the mini shopping bag in mint green. It has the typical features of the Telfar bag, which is a double strap, as you can see. So it has two straps as opposed to just having a single strap. So as a double strap, it has the little handle. So if you want to hold it like this, or if you want to hold it as a crossbody bag, logo is embossed on here. It has a magnetic strap closure here. And then on the inside, it is lined. As you can see, it has like the same color on the inside. It has the Teflar logo on the inside as well. So my biggest concern when shopping for this bag, and I literally, no lie, I just looked on their website to see what they had, and I saw that this bag had came out like at 12 o'clock. It had came out at 12, but I checked their website at 12:07 and I saw it on there. I was like, wow, this is such a pretty summer color. Let me just get it. So I went boop, 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 really quick, got the bag. I was concerned that I was going to get it because apparently they sell out super quick. And I think literally maybe 30 minutes later after I checked again, the bags were all sold out. So they had different varieties of this bag. They had the small one, they had a medium size, and they had a larger size one. For the summertime, I like to be very just like convenient. So I like to just carry around the essentials that I need. I've gotten out of carrying really big bags unless it's for work. If it's work related, then I'll carry a bigger bag because I need to kind of just throw everything in there. But for summer, to go out to a nice brunch or whatever it is, or to go out at night, I think this is a perfect little bag to do that. I have not used it yet. This is pretty much my first impressions of the bag itself. So like I said, I think it's really cute, really pretty. I am using my phone to film, so I can't really show you if the phone fits. However, the phone does fit inside the bag. The bag is 4 3/4 height. It's 6 5/8 width. The depth is 3 inches, and then the drop is 21 inches on the actual straps, and then the handle is 4 3/4 on the handle drop. But it's really soft, it's really pretty. I do love it. I can't wait to use it. But I do want to show you guys how it looks on And then I also want to show you guys what can actually fit in here, because I know you can't really have a visual without putting something actually in it. So I will be back with those items. So this is how the bag looks as a crossbody. So you can put it to the side, or you can bring it to the front. I'm taking it off so that you can see how long the straps are. For reference, I am 5'5", and then you can see the shorter strap. You can hold it on your wrist if you'd like, so it does fit comfortably around the wrist as well. And then I'm just going to show you myself putting it on. So as you can see, it's easy to put on and take off. It looks really cute and I love it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys what can actually fit inside the bag. So like I said, the bag's width is 6 5/8. That's the width of the bag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw in a couple of things so you kind of get an idea of what fits in here. So I have just a little zip around wallet. I'm going to put that here. So as you can see, it does take up quite a bit of space. You don't have to use such a thick wallet. If you have one of a slim card wallet, you can utilize that. But I just typically carry around this wallet. I have a little sanitizer. I have my keys and just like a chapstick or lip gloss, just to kind of give you guys some reference. So as you can see, like a lot of stuff kind of fits in here. It still has space on the side there that you can throw more things in. So if you want to bring like a little compact, or if you want to throw whatever else that's small that you want to throw in there, like a lipstick or a lip liner, you can definitely fit that in there. And then you can close it like that. I'm gonna just close it so that you can see how it is closed. So it doesn't really close too well. So I would think that if your wallet is on the thicker side, you might want to switch it to a slimmer wallet, because with this wallet being so thick, it doesn't really give it the ability to close. So right now I'm going to try to close it with the wallet taken out, so it closes much better. So as you can see, it's actually closed. So you just want to make sure whatever you put in here is not as thick, because it will not close. So this is how it is with it closed. And then I'm just going to show you how it is if I throw the wallet in there and try to close it, so that you can kind of get an idea of like what wallet you can use. So this is it now. This actually might close because I took my keys out. So let's take a look. So it did close. You just can't have anything too high, because basically what happens is these two parts come in, and if there's anything that is going to stretch that area out, then it's going to open. So just keep that in mind if this is a bag that you're looking for, that you might want to use a slim wallet to fit inside the bag itself. So we're going to talk about pricing. So this bag is actually $150. I paid $159, and that's because of taxes, because shipping was actually free. So I didn't have to worry about the shipping. So it was $159.94, and it came fairly quickly. It didn't take, I believe it didn't take a week to get to me. So the shipping was pretty quick, and it comes in the dust bag, which is really nice to have, and it's cotton material, so it's really, really good. And I cannot wait to use it. I really am excited. I don't know if this is going to be my one and only purchase from them, because I really think it's such a cute bag, especially on as a crossbody. I don't know why. I just like the way these straps lay like flat. Maybe it's just me, but I really do like that. I think it's so cute. It fits a good amount of stuff. So if you want to go out and just have some fun on a night out, I think this is great to use. Especially with these fun colors. What a pretty color. I know they had like orange before. I do want to get like a black one for kind of like every day to go out and things like that, but I really think it's cute. The stitching is nice. This is the quality. The stitching is really nice all the way through. None of the stitching is coming off. I'm just taking a look at it, but I cannot wait to use it. I'll give you guys an update about the bag itself, but I think it's gonna hold up pretty well. I don't use my bags too often, so I always kind of like switch it up, especially with colors like this. You can't really wear it all the time, but I do have a dress that I want to wear it with. But that is my review of the small double mint shopping bag from Telfar. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys for taking the time out to watch. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can see more videos that I post. And once again, thank you guys for watching. Bye.